If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Threads, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click your profile icon at the bottom right. Click the two horizontal lines at the top right, and then go ahead and click Account. And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna scroll a little bit down to the security, go ahead and click security, and you'll be redirected to the two-factor authentication. You don't have to do anything. Alright, click two-factor authentication, select your account, and then go ahead to the option that you allowed the two-factor authentication. So basically I have now the SMS or WhatsApp turned on, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply just turn this off. The same goes for authentication app. Just turn it off and double click to confirm that you want to disable the two-factor authentication, and now you just disabled it. Basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.